Hey everyone, me Kevin here. So it's 4:05 in the morning right now, and I can't sleep because it's finally getting to the point where I have to make this decision, and it's been eating me alive for the last few weeks. A few weeks ago, I posted a video called Meet Kevin's Mad Money, and I basically filled in for Jim Cramer. I did the lighting round, the interviews, and everything, and it was just a joke. It was just supposed to be for fun. I just wanted to provide a stock market update and actually do a little bit of editing in video for once. For once, I did a little bit of editing in video, and that's it. Well, apparently, someone sent it to Jim Cramer, and Jim Cramer really liked it. And within a few days, I ended up getting a letter from CNBC, and I can't believe it, but it was from Mark Hoffman. It was short, but it was a letter from Mark Hoffman, the chairman of CNBC, getting me in touch with the president of CNBC Business News Worldwide and his staff to potentially take over Jim Cramer's role as the host of CNBC's Mad Money and Morning Squawk on the Street. I'm like, oh, like, I don't even know what to feel. And I still don't even know what to feel. Because on one hand, it's like, oh my gosh, like, that's like, oh, that is so freaking huge. But on the other hand, that's like kind of joining the suits. That's joining potentially the weenie baby paper handers who change their freaking mind every day. So like initially I'm like, oh my gosh, this is awesome. And then I'm like, wait a minute, no, this sucks. And I'm like, what do I do? So I asked him, like, what does this entail? Like at the very least, if you're going to ask me to make a decision, like, give me some more details. You can't just leave me hanging here. So as part of their offer, they want me to, they would demand that I'd stop posting YouTube videos and that I solely work for CNBC. And I'm really, really, really anti this. Like, YouTube is my home. That's like me turning my back and selling out to the mainstream media, and I'm kind of pissed about that. It's also a really freaking huge opportunity. And I mean, Jim Cramer's been saying he's been wanting to retire at 67, so this could all happen pretty soon. He's 66 right now. He's 67 soon. And, you know, I made sure to ask because this is a big thing. Like, if I were going to make a transition like this is a must. I made sure one of the first things I talked to them about was, hey, but I've got to continue to be able to provide for my course members by providing additional content and doing our daily market live streams, which we do in the course, the private live streams. Like, people really enjoy those because they can ask questions to me directly. And they're like, hey, Kevin, privately, that's fine. If you want to do your unlisted live streams and keep doing the course content, whatever, you can do that. Like, that's fine. But publicly, you would work for CNBC. So everything is CNBC publicly. That means you're doing the morning CNBC. You're doing the afternoon show. You're doing the throughout the day. Hey, here's what happened with some breaking news. What's your opinion? And you got to go up there and basically be the Jimmy Chill, except it's Meet Kevin, whatever. We haven't figured out a name for you yet other than Meet Kevin. Meet Kevin's Mad Money. I mean, this was a great title, they said. I'm like, okay, but what does this also entail? Like, what would the other benefits be? And this is where things get really complicated because they're really, really good. So CNBC offered that I only have to work 40 hours per week. That's basically 8 hours a day, 5 days a week. And they would provide me entire research staff to keep me up to the minute on everything. And this is insane because that means I would be working 40 hours a week instead of what I do now, which is like 13 hours per week, 7 days a week. Like, I don't take a day off. That's like working 91 hours now, what I'm doing now, versus 40 hours a week. That's less than half. Less than half of the time working, which means more than twice the amount of time I have for friends, family, Jack and Max, future little babies. You can focus on family for once. On top of working way less, they're also offering to double what I'm making right now from all of the YouTube revenue streams. So anything related to YouTube revenue, they're like, we'll just double the highest earnings you've had. We'll double that because we want you to replace Jim Cramer. So I'd literally be working less than half as much, like minus 50%, and then even less, right? From 91 hours to 40 hours. And they would be paying me twice as much as I'm making now, which I don't even think I could double what I do now. Now, they say also, and this is what's really getting to me, because it's like, Kevin, it's not all about the money, it's about the community. Like, you can't just turn your back on the people who got you to this place in the first place. But they have a point. With CNBC at my back, we'll be able to interview anybody we want. If we want to get Elon Musk, we can get Elon Musk. We want to get Kathy Wood, we get Kathy Wood. CNBC. And new show, new face, appeal to the younger generations. Out with the old and with the new. And they believe that I'll have much more of a reach via CNBC than I could on YouTube. And in other words, I would be able to benefit more people, which after all, and they twisted this on me. They're like, isn't that what you want? To help more people. So less than half the work, twice the pay, more reach, more potential impact. But the downside is quitting YouTube and walking away. I feel sick to my stomach. Like, I've not been able to sleep at all today. Yeah, it's 4:12 right now. And I've not been asleep. I made like 3 more cups of coffee, okay? Since this one that I made like when I was making another video like 8 hours ago. But here's the thing. I don't want to join the paper-handed weenie babies, suit losers. So I sent CNBC an email. And the title of the email is, I'm not f***ing leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm staying here. I'm staying on YouTube. In fact, I'm going to hire researchers myself to help me get more work done faster. We're going to streamline this production even more than I already do. And you know what? Maybe I can go from 4 to 5 videos a day to 9 to 10 videos per day. And so we're going to do this together. We're going to give CNBC the fat middle finger. In fact, here's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to, you know what? We're going to send it. We're literally going to send this right now. We're going to tell them that I'm not f***ing leaving. I'm here to stop staying on YouTube. Here's the email. I got it drafted up. Stephanie Rogers at NBCUni.com. I don't know why. I guess it's NBC Universal. I'm not f***ing leaving. Dear Stephanie and the CNBC staff, thank you so much for your offer to replace Jim Cramer. Unfortunately for CNBC, I'm not f***ing leaving my YouTube family. F*** off. Sincerely, meet Kevin. I'm staying with you guys and gals. P.S. I wrote, April Fools, this entire video is a joke.